Let's talk about how you can use automated saving rules that actually match your spending. If you've ever struggled with budgeting or saving consistently, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. The best part? You don't need to manually track every single purchase to make sure your savings are on track. Here's the thing. Many people fail to save simply because they're not set up for success in their day-to-day spending. It's easy to forget to put money aside when your paycheck comes in, or worse, you wait too long and the money never gets saved. That's where automated saving rules come in. But it's not just about setting a generic rule. You need a system that actually matches your spending habits to work. Now, here's why this matters. If you set up automated saving rules without taking your spending patterns into account, you'll either save too little, or, worse, you'll set aside too much, leaving you without the cash to enjoy your day-to-day life. But by automating based on your specific spending behavior, you can make sure that savings happen automatically, without you even thinking about it. Here's the key. The best automated saving rules don't just work in the background. They adjust to your lifestyle and spending changes. Imagine this. 1 month, you spend more on dining out, and the next, maybe you travel. The goal here isn't to punish yourself for living your life, but to ensure that savings happen in proportion to those changes. So how do you do it? First, start by looking at your bank statements and identifying where most of your money goes. Track it over a couple of months. You'll probably notice patterns, like the same amount spent on groceries each week or monthly subscriptions that just keep getting renewed. With this info, you can use an automated system that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar or sets a percentage aside after each payment. It's a simple concept, but done right, it has a huge impact on how much you're saving without even realizing it. For example, let's say you have an app that connects directly to your bank and automatically rounds up every purchase you make to the next dollar. If your coffee costs $3.75, it will take 25 cents and send that to your savings account. It's tiny amounts, but over time, they add up. The beauty of this is that it works with every transaction, no matter how small. Now, here's the part that'll really surprise you. If you're spending more on things like travel, you can set rules to save more when you spend more. For example, every time you book a flight, you can trigger a savings boost. Say, an extra 5% of that purchase goes straight to your emergency fund. This strategy ensures that saving isn't an afterthought. It grows alongside your lifestyle. This is where most people fall short. They set the rules and forget about them. If you're not paying attention to how your spending changes each month, your savings might not keep up. That's why you need an automated system that adapts, whether it's adjusting the amounts based on your lifestyle or giving you insights into how much you've saved compared to your spending. This is exactly what separates a good automated saving system from a mediocre one. It doesn't just take money out of your account and call it a day. It learns from your spending habits. It integrates with tools like budgeting apps or even custom rules that can tell your saving system to save more or less, depending on your current priorities. By now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I make sure the system is working for me and not against me? Well, it's all about the setup. Many systems let you set rules like save 10% of every paycheck or save $5 every day, but you need something smarter that can adapt. Tools like Digit, Capital, and even more sophisticated options within your bank app will let you build saving rules that adjust based on real-time data without you needing to constantly micromanage. So, how do you get started? First, identify the tools that let you set these personalized, automated rules. Don't just pick the first app you find. Take a moment to research which ones give you control over your spending behavior, and don't charge high fees for basic features. You're not getting paid for those extra charges after all. Remember, automating your savings to match your spending isn't just about making it easier to save. It's about making it easier to save the right amount at the right time. And if you do this right, you'll never need to think about setting aside money again. And look, here's something a lot of people won't tell you. There are no affiliate commissions or hidden incentives behind what I'm sharing with you today. I'm not trying to push any product or app here. What I care about is giving you real, practical advice that helps you build sustainable habits for your finances. If this video helped you out and you want to support content that's transparent, with no hidden agendas or affiliate commissions, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try out automated saving rules and what your biggest struggle with saving is. Thanks for watching.